There was a time when we were helplessly with our parents or guardians. In the same way, the growth belongs to Allah. We are facing challenges upon challenges across the globe. To be a Muslim is not so easy. To be a woman who is a Muslim is not so easy. People say, speak about women. I say, leave them alone. May Allah Almighty grant us ease. They hear from the left, they hear from the right, and then they are somewhere in the middle. We have challenges even as men, where people begin to pick on us and our beliefs. So it becomes so difficult to live as an individual that I would like to live and like to be. But I need to keep going. I need to have the principles. I need to understand or try and understand part of the plan of the Almighty, because His entire plan may never be understood by you and I. There is a portion of it that would require you to surrender and believe. I believe in the mercy of Allah. I may be going through the most toughest of days today, and you might be going through the toughest of days today. You might have heard bad news early morning or in the recent weeks, but I tell you, it does not mean that's going to last, because it never lasts. Negativity does not last. It will not last. I may have gone through or be going through right now a time unlike any time in my life so far. But I have hope because I'm a believer. I am convinced. I'm convinced that in the same way, daybreak follows the darkest hour of the night. The darkest time of my life shall be followed by the brightest light of that daybreak. Be convinced.